Okay, a common problem with car paint is you'll get wear on your door handle, and you'll also get wear and scratches on the inside of the door handle, like right here. And usually it's somebody with long nails, or they have some kind of chemical on their hand and it just wears away at the door handle. And today I'm going to show you what I think the problem comes from and how I think I'm going to solve it and not have this anymore being done to my car. So I'm going to show you over here. Here I got hand sanitizer, and I also have this skin relief hand cream. All kinds of creams women use to make their hands softer and whatever, and less chapped. And then you have your hand sanitizers, like a new thing that's been added to the mix. And I think these chemicals start tearing up on the clear coat on the car after a while. And with the car paint and the clear coat being so cheap nowadays, it's not made very well. You'll start getting clear coat chipping, and to the point where the actual goes down to the paint level. And you'll get a lot of scratches in the little grab piece here. Now, the first thing I would suggest you to do is when you have people come in your car, don't have them put their hand like this and open the door. First of all, they have long nails. They could scratch this side with their long nails. So when you're going to open the door, open it from the bottom like that. That way you're not putting any marks on the front of the door handle. You're not going to scratch the paint, and it just puts less wear on the car door handle. So the whole idea here is to avoid getting wear on the front of the door handle, on the outside of the door handle. If you grab from the bottom, you'll put less marks, and less anything on your hands will not affect the door handle. It'll just open like that. So that's one way. Some people, when they open the door, they have their keys in their hand and they could actually scrape the paint and the clear coat off the car. And finally, I'm going to show you one more way that you can avoid getting this kind of wear on your door handle and scratches on your paint. Now, at first I thought maybe wax would help, and I'm sure it helps somewhat, waxing this really good. But what you're going to need is like a ceramic spray coating. Read the instructions on stuff like this, because there is steps that you have to do to use it. But I would put heavy duty. I'd put like a coating on there, wait a day, put more coating on there, wait a day, put more coating on there. I would just layer up the coatings of the ceramic spray. This one's not the greatest, but this is an example. And I think if you put enough ceramic coating on there, it will make the paint harder and less able to scratch and to fade like this. So if you have problems with clear coat coming off your door handle, or just basic scratches on your door handle area, these tips may help you avoid getting that problem.